Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Today, we're tackling a common question. How do you calculate the median in SQL? Unlike sum or average, SQL doesn't have a built-in median function, but we can calculate it using window functions. Let's see how. The median is the middle value in a dataset. 50% of values are above, and 50% are below. If there's an odd number of values, it's the middle value. In this example, the median is 12, since it is the middle value. If there's an even number of values, it's the average of the two middle values. In this example, the median is 13, since it is the average of the middle two numbers, 12 and 14. To find the median, we use a two-step process. In the first step, we use a CTE to rank each row and count the total number of rows. The row number function ranks each value, while the count star over blank function counts the total number of rows. Now we run the main query to get the median. Note we use the floor and ceiling functions to identify which rows to average. Here's an example of an odd case. Let's say we have 7 rows. The floor function would return 4, and the ceiling function would also return 4, so the median is simply the fourth smallest value. Now for an even case. Let's say we have 8 rows. The floor function would return 4, while the ceiling function would return 5. So the median is the average of the fourth smallest and the fifth smallest values. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips. See you next time.